How to log in into JCPenney Credit Card account online. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into your JC Credit Card online account. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First step is open up your web browser and simply search for JCPenney Credit Card Login. After you search for that, you'll find this website called JCPenney Credit Card, jcpcreditcard.com. Head over there. After you're there, you'll find an account option on the top right. Tap on account and it'll take you to the login page. So let this load, and after it loads, here you will see the login option. To access your account, enter your user ID, whatever your user ID is, then your password. After you type in your password, tap on secure login and you'll get logged in. And that's how easy it is, and that's basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.